Haka Jingialehkai Santosh Trophy final round happening ke Indian Railways Persia ke Meghalaya. Haba pai shak ke Jingialehkai haka kela step ke Jingialehkai ke long Maria Khaj haka babaro arteli ki kenhun ki klem la abat pen khijar. Adu bukut ke kela step. Badai haka kela mid kata haka menit ke ban riu peusan ke Railways kala yo ban tap ya ke gol ke baningkong leng ba ke un gol jong ke Meghalaya. Henry tang hadin 10 minit kata haka menit ke ban riu peu riu ke Meghalaya kala yo ban tap ya ke gol penya khaj leng bau abor lang kurba badha minit banyau peulai ume ban krau wa lang ulio ban tiap ya ko gol ka baar nag benta ka Meghalaya Henry tang hadin ar minit kata ka minit ka banyau peusan ka Railways kala yo ban tiap ya ko gol penya khaj leng bau Johnson badha du bukut ka Jingialehkai baro ar tri ki kenhun ke ya khaj damar ar gol baleng magani jinga khaj ka Meghalaya kadang yo lat Jingialehkai ha ka quarter final ha ka baga don ha ka kerdan ka basau ha ka mi ya khen point na ka group B.
And another chance, Meghalaya might just find the equalizer, and they do! Oh my God! 2 goals in a span of 2 minutes, and it feels like we are living life on the edge of a lightning bolt here at the Haka Stadium. Once again, chaos at the other end, controlled and hardy, flip, long reach, makes no mistake. In fact, it was Abolang Kurba. The chance was created by Hardy and Abolang Kurba, quickly turning that in. Another free kick, another springboard maybe. Hammers it forward, eludes everyone. Oh no, Meghalaya! They have beaten the offside trap and they have found themselves a goal as well, coming back from behind. Meghalaya has turned it around like superstars. Should.